Government Polytechnic Puranpur. Welcome to my channel. Today my topic is third system of pulley. Basically today I drive the mechanical advantage formula. Okay, please see on the board. The third system of pulley figure, see on the board. In this system, four pulleys are connected to each other. So pulley number 1 is fixed and other pulleys are movable. Pulley number 2, pulley number 3 and pulley number 4 are movable pulley, and pulley number 1 is fixed. There are four different row overlap the all pulley. The pulley, this is the rope number 4, this is the rope number 3, this is the rope number 2 and this is the rope number 1. The rope number 1 connect to the beam, first point of the rope number 1 connect to the beam and other point overlap the pulley number 1 and connect the pulley 2. This process is follow all the ropes. When the effort applied rope number 1, then the tension created in this rope. The effort applied and the create tension equal to each other. Then please see on the board. T is equal to P, because this is the same row. When the effort applied in this point, then the tension created in this point in equal amount. Similarly, T2 is equal to T1 plus P. Same as T1 is equal to P, then is P plus P is equal to 2P. Same as T3 is equal to T2 plus T2. That means 2T2 and T2 is equal to 2P. T2 is equal to 2P. That means 2 into 2P. This is written as 2 to the power 2 into P. Please see on the figure. The total weight of rope 1 hold the rope 2 and the total weight of rope 2 hold the rope 3. Then total weight of rope 3 hold the rope 4. So the tension is equal to the T2 plus T2 and the tension of T4 is equal to the T3 plus T3 and so on. Same as T4 is equal to T3 plus T3. This is equal to a 2 T3. T3 is equal to 2 to the power 2 plus P. That means 2 into 2 to the power 2 into P. That means 2 to the power 3 P. The weight of the pulley is 0. The weight of all pulleys is 0. We find out the mechanical advantage. The W is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. Putting all the values in this equation, P plus 2P plus 2 to the power 2 P plus 2 to the power 3P. P is common, that means 1 plus 2 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3. This is a geometrical progression series. So according to this formula, r minus 1. Using this formula, then we find the solution 2 to the power n minus 1. This is the weight, this is the total weight. We know that mechanical advantage is equal to W upon P, lifting weight and applied effort. That means W is equal to N to the power N upon P. So the mechanical advantage A is equal to, no, this is the number of term is 4. So this is a 4. Okay, 4. N is equal to the number of terms, and there have only 4 terms. If number of pulley is n, then mechanical advantage is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. If eta is equal to 1, that means if the efficiency of this system is 100%, then we know that mechanical advantage is equal to velocity ratio, and this is the formula of mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. See on the board. This is the only formula derived, and the theoretical notes of this pulley I sent to the WhatsApp group. I want to say, please like my channel, share and subscribe. Thank you.